All right, today we're going to talk about the indoor salad bar. I'm looking at mine right now, and it looks good, but it's not perfect. And I'm going to tell you how I messed up so that you don't mess up again. So welcome to Garden Preserve. I'm Carter. I'm glad you're here today. Let's get started. All right, I wanted to talk to you a minute about keeping your salad bar going continuously year-round. Some things I've already learned. So originally when I would have my indoor salad bar, I would do 72 heads of lettuce in the summer and in the winter when I can't really grow it outside. It may sound like a lot, but we do eat a lot of salad. I give a lot of salads away. If we go to someone's house for dinner, I take the salad. So anyway, we go through about 72 heads of lettuce, and that lasts us about 4 months. And that's perfect. By then, I'm ready to be growing outside. So what I miscalculated here was what planting schedule I need to be on in order to keep a continuous supply inside without planning on anything coming in from outside. So I did this a little late. So my original batch here that we did together, we did on November 17th. So those are pushing 4 months old, which is about the time period I used to have them for. And they're doing fine. Some of them are starting to bolt, but I'm almost through all of them, and they're still tasty. So then I planted these at about the 3 month and 1 week point, I think. And so we're only up to here. And these will be phasing out in the next couple of weeks. So these may not be quite large enough to start harvesting from by the time these are done. So I think instead of doing 72 every 4 months or 3.5 months or whatever I had in my head, I probably didn't have anything in my head, which is how I ended up in this little pickle here. But I think what I'm going to do is 36. I'm going to start 36 heads of lettuce every 2 months. And we're going to see how that schedule works. So that's my plan. Hopefully I'll do better. As you saw on the garden tour, or will see on the garden tour, I'm not sure when it's coming out, I do have some lettuce outside that I seeded out there must have been October, November. And so that lettuce is actually coming up. I'd forgotten about it, and it's going to be ready long before this is. So we will have lettuce to eat in the meantime. But from now on, I'm going to start 36 new heads every couple of months, and we'll see how that works for me. So as you are planning your indoor lettuce salad bar, you need to think through how much lettuce you eat, how long it's going to last, when you need to start your next batch. Because really from the day you start until the day you can harvest and still have it turn into a head is probably 6 weeks. If you're going to do baby greens, you can start harvesting at 21 days or 28 days. But I want these to turn into heads so that I can continuously pick around them for the next couple of months. So I'm going to wait until these are large enough to start doing some cut and come again before I start picking them. And I'll rely on outdoors as soon as these. Now I have, 15 heads over here that are still in good shape, and so I will continue to eat those, and we'll see. So anyway, just something I thought I would share, my little failure to thoroughly think things through with you so that you don't make the same mistake I did and that you can have continuous lettuce. So get on a schedule. So my next time I plant seed lettuce will be May 1st. So hold me to that. And I'm going to continue to do it every couple of months, at least through the summer, because we like to eat a lot of salads in summer with all the fresh vegetables and fruits coming in. So at least through the summer, and then if I need to back off a little, in the fall and winter and do it every 2.5 months or something, then we can do that. But for summer coming, I need to get my act together.